In this video, I'll be showing you how you can register for Interact e-Transfer Auto Deposit in CIBC app. First is you have to register first for Interact e-Transfer account. You need to input your personal info here, which includes your legal name, nickname, email address, and your mobile phone number. After doing it, just click the register button. Once that the registration is successful, you can now head to the auto deposit settings. In here, we have to select a contact method and also a deposit account. For example, for the contact method, we want a mobile phone number. And after doing it, you can now input the legal name and you just need to review every personal information that you have made here and just click the confirm or the register button on the application. And that's it. That's how you can register for Interact e-Transfer Auto Deposit settings in the CIBC app, and thank you for listening.